Hey guys, welcome back. Now we will start coding this crab so that we will be able to handle this crab so that it can cross the road. So I will start with the control, with the events, and I will say when the flag is clicked, I would like to the crab to be shown in the game. So I will drag and drop the command show, and then I will use the forever command. Forever, I would like to go to where it is right now. So go right here. So go to motion, and I will use this command. So go to X and Y. As you will see again, this X dimension is right here and this Y dimension is right here. So each time my crab will start from exactly this position, and I would like to set change level to 0. So the idea is that I will have different levels. The level of difficulty will increase each time my crab manages to cross the road. So the difficulty will be increased, and it will be more difficult for the player to cross the road. So initially the change level variable will be set to 0, and then I would like to repeat. So I will go to the control and I would like to repeat, but not specific times. I will choose this repeat until block, repeat until, and here I would like to say that this crab should do some things until a vehicle touches my crab, actually crashes my crab. So I would like to repeat until I will go to sensing, touching vehicle 1. But as you will see, I have 5 different vehicles, so I will use the operator OR. So I will use touching vehicle 1 or touching vehicle 2 or touching vehicle 3, but this is something that, as you can see, touching vehicle 2, this is something that I could not use more or conditions. So what I will do is take off this touching vehicle 2, and I will use multiple OR conditions. I will go to the operators, drag and drop right here. So now I have 3 slots, and I will drag and drop right here. So now I have 4 slots, and now I have 5 slots. So I will use this block, and I would like to add one final OR condition. In case my crab manages to go right here, I would like to check if my crab is touching this color. So I will duplicate this up. I will duplicate this, not here. Okay, I will drop it right here. So touching vehicle number 2 or touching vehicle number 3 or touching vehicle touching vehicle number 4, or touching vehicle number 5, or touching color, and here I would like to click here and then here and use this color right here. So all these I would like to take this block and use it right here. So I would like to repeat until all this happens. So if now the key arrow is pressed, so the control, go to the control, drag and drop if block, and then go to sensing and use this key pressed, key up arrow is pressed, then change Y, by 40. This 40 is, as you will see now, it has Y minus 161, but if my grab is going to be right here, then it would be minus 111. So it is about 50, but I think it would be a little bit more difficult to use change Y by 40, because if I'm going to use 50, then I will need only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clicks to go to the next side. But if I'm going to use 40, then it would be something right here, here, here. So it would be more up arrows pressed to go to the opposite. So if you're going to use something like 30 or 20, it will be even more difficult. So it's up to you to customize it for how difficult you would like this game to be. I would like to go here, change Y by 40, and then I would like to wait for 0.2 seconds. Something very small right here, 0.2 seconds. And I would like to duplicate actually this code, the if code, so that I will use it for the down arrow. I will change Y by minus 40, and I will wait again for 0.2 seconds. I will duplicate this again, change down arrow to right arrow. I will use change X this time, so I will go to motion, change X, change X by 40 again, wait 0.2 seconds, and then duplicate all this if statement so that we can use it for the left arrow. If key left arrow is pressed, then change X by minus 40 and wait 0.2 seconds. Okay, I think it is okay. We have one last thing. If my crab manages to go to the opposite, the car speed should be increased and the level variable should be increased. So I will use another if statement right here. I will go drag and drop this if statement, and no, sorry, I will take it off. I will use the if then else statement, and I will explain to you why I'm doing this. I will use this if then else statement, and I will say if my crab is touching the color from the opposite side, right here, from the opposite side, then I would like to change the car speed by 2 and change the level by 1. Else I would like to repeat 10 times, not right here, but in the else I would like to repeat 10 times. I would like my crab to be hidden, so I will go to the looks category, take the hide command, drag it and drop it right here. I would like to wait for 0.2 seconds and then to be shown again. So I will go to the looks category, exactly, and then wait 0.2 seconds. And then reduce the lives by -1. So this means that my car is not touching this color, so this means that it is touched by one of these vehicles. So actually it will be hidden, shown, hidden, shown, hidden, shown for 0.3 seconds for 10 times, and then the lives will be reduced by 1. So if lives are equal to 0, I will go to the control, I will take the if block. Be careful, it is outside this if-else block, and I will say that if lives, I will go to the operators, if lives are equal to 0, I will take this equal to 0, then I would like my crab to be hidden, so I will go to the looks category, take the hide command and stop this script. Go to the control, stop not all, just this script. So now I have one final game over right here, one game over sprite, and I would like when the flag is clicked to wait for 0.1 seconds and then be hidden, go to looks, category, drag and drop the hide command, and then forever, go to the control, forever, if lives are equal to 0, so if, take the variable lives, and I would like to take the operator equal to 0. If lives are equal to 0, then to be shown, go to looks category, drag and drop the show, you can use the wait 1 second, or you can change this to 5 seconds or to 3 seconds. Then go to the control and stop this script. So I think now it is okay, but I would like to go here to the states, to the backdrop states, and see that I have set the car speed to 2. This is my initial car speed. I have 3 lives and I have level equal to 1. So you can actually go to variables and use the car speed variable and the level variable, or only the level variable, what you would like. I will take it, drag it and drop it right here, level and the lives variable if you would like, and the lives variable. So this is the car speed, the lives and the level, and now I think my game is ready. I will click to this flag, okay, go back to the crab and check that this if touching color is not inside the repeat until block. So this if touching color should not be right here, but should be right here. You should have 2 blocks right here. This is the if block and this is the repeat block. So now your crab should be okay. I have 3 lives, level 1, car speed is 2, and as you can see, here are the 5 vehicles, and now I'm going to cross the road easily. Level is 2, car speed is 4, so I will go on, and level is 3, car speed is 6. The game is going to be harder now, more difficult to cross the road. I lost. So my lives are 2 now, the car speed is 6, level is 4. No. Lives are 1. Okay, level is 7, car speed is 14. It's very difficult right now. I will try. No. And lives are 0. Game over. So this is the game. I think this is a very cool game, and it is something that you will have a lot of fun by playing this game, by creating this game, and I'm really happy for developing this game together. So I will go back, I will show you again this, I will name this game the Crab Racing, the Crab Crossing the Road game. So I can also save now this game, and then I can share this game with anyone that would like to play this game, and I will write some instructions like try to cross the road with this crazy crab, avoiding all the vehicles. So this was, I think, a great game, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next lessons.